This is why most people not making sales in digital marketing, especially in high-ticket digital marketing. Share this video if this will resonate with you. I'm Gina Babak. I spent 6 years mastering affiliate marketing, digital marketing, traffic, and many other things. And this is what I noted. So I will show you two cases. The first case, this is what they tell you. You join high-ticket program and you start posting these videos, mostly on TikTok. You need to post 3 videos a day. You need to go live. But in the majority of cases, you still have your family. You still have your work. You need to go to 9 to 5. So how on earth you're going to do it? This is not for everyone. Not everyone is going to become a next Gary Vee, right? And it takes years to master this free traffic. This is why they don't tell you about paid traffic. So for example, with AFFILIAXA, when you join this program with less than $100, you still have access to an affiliate program that gives you leverage, meaning that you can make up to $2,800 per referral, even if you don't pay high ticket price. This is called low ticket offer, and this is called self-liquidating funnel. Self-liquidating funnel is a funnel that pays you more than you paid for traffic. For example, you can buy solo ads for $40. You get 30 new leads, and you send this traffic to this opt-in page of the self-liquidating offer funnel, meaning there is much bigger opportunity that you will get at least 1, 2, 3 sales of $100. But these people who will join AFFILIAXA for less than $100, they still will be upgraded later for my personal coaching program, many other things we offer inside as the one-time offers, right? And this is how you build your leads predictably fast. This is how you don't depend on social media. You don't even need to have social media, to be honest. I believe this is the biggest problem, and this is why the majority of people fail miserably with digital marketing.